Alright then, Docker. It is changing the world, and in a good way. And believe me, you don't want to miss out. Well, let me tell you, have we got a course for you? Getting started with Docker is the ultimate launchpad for kickstarting your Docker journey. And it's handcrafted to be perfect for developers, operations professionals, and of course, DevOps. But the best part, not only does it take the scary out of learning Docker, it actually makes it fun. And when you're done with the course, you will be pumped and ready to learn more. So, in this course, and there'll be plenty of opportunities for hands-on, but we'll show you some really easy ways to get Docker. Then though, the beating heart of the course is showing you how to take application source code from the GitHub repo, build it as a Docker image, share it in a container registry, and then run it as a container. And you'll get your hands on with tools like Docker Compose and Swarm and Stacks that all make it easy to manage microservices apps in a modern declarative fashion. And of course, we'll explain what all of those buzzwords actually mean. Now, what about me? Well, I'm Nigel, and I've been working with Docker and containers since the early days. I'm one of the longest serving Docker captains. I'm the author of these best-selling container books. And of course, I've got a ton of courses here on Pluralsight, and the reviews speak for themselves. But you know what? Let's cut the waffle and let's get learning Docker.